Meaning of GCE.
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 GCE. GCE stands for Google Compute Engine. It is a cloud computing service that offers virtual machines with scalable performance and storage options. GCE allows users to run workloads on Google's infrastructure and benefit from its high reliability, security, and global network. This service provides a flexible and cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes, and it can be easily integrated with other Google Cloud Platform services for a seamless experience. With GCE, users can easily deploy applications, manage resources efficiently, and scale up or down as required to meet their changing needs.